A cool head turner that celebrates the all-American swagger of vintage pickups. This 53 3100 capitalizes on GM's timeless design and Chevy's universal appeal. And whether you're a diehard Chevrolet fan, an old-school truck lover, or just a curious buyer who's looking for something a bit traditional, it's a cool collectible that fires on all cylinders. Dressed and ready to roll, this clean Chevy has been meticulously rebuilt to preserve all the innate appeal of GM's popular advanced design aesthetic. The truck's expressive body panels have been bathed in a traditional coat of Mariner Blue 2-stage. A straight fuselage features solid panels that have benefited from a detailed frame-off restoration. And overall, this road-ready cruiser carries every indication that its high-quality reboot was a well-planned effort. When you pop this pickup's doors, you'll find a crisp vinyl cockpit that wraps era-correct charm in a silky finish. The vinyl seat complements small door panels, a tight headliner, and a black floor mat. A Chevrolet-branded steering wheel laps fully restored gauges, and a small heater and a small rearview mirror cage a requisite radio delete. Hoist this pickup's domed hood and you'll find 216 cubic inches of Thriftmaster 6-cylinder that, according to the casting number and LBA prefix code, is correct to 1953. Whether it's simple nostalgia or their long list of extremely useful virtues, one thing is certain: trucks never go out of style. And when they're built this well, they seem to never fade away. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.